Namaste, welcome to Home #Life. Today's video is a special one for me. In this video, I will share with you my daughter's room tour, and along with that, I will share 7 budget-friendly kids' room decorating ideas, where you will see furniture makeover and awesome idea to paint your kids' room wall and tons of DIYs. Quick reminder, subscribe to Home #Life and follow us on Instagram for regular updates, more behind the scene pictures and videos. So let's get started. We will start the makeover video with painting the wall. No, I'm not going to paint the entire wall because it's just been a year we moved in and the wall paint is in a great condition. I have wiped the wall to remove dust and now take little paint and this type of sponge with handle. I will highly recommend getting this tool for the painting. It will make your job so much easier. Or else you can use a regular sponge, cut it in a circular shape and start painting. Just dab like this, take out extra paint and press it gently, then rotate. Voila, it's done. Probably you will get this type of bubbles which you can remove by this way. Just pay little attention how I am trying to get rid of those bubbles. And if you want to paint the room for your son, then go with triangle or plus shapes to paint the wall. After I'm done with the wall makeover, I went little overboard with polkas and tried to give a new look to this plastic chest of drawers. For any room makeover, invest in some budget-friendly storage solutions to keep your room neat or clean. Or you can give a makeover to your existing furniture. We have had this white storage cabinet and it needs a serious replacement or makeover, which I thought I can totally do this. I purchased this wall decal, mermaid and water animals because that's what my daughter likes and started putting them together. It changed the entire look of the cabinet just right under 100 rupees. I'm so loving it. What do you think? To give a new fresh makeover to any space, bedding plays an important role, like bed sheets, curtains, cushion covers, etc. It's always a good idea to shop when sale is on. Also, I wanted to change this age-old mattress which doesn't give much comfort when we sleep and not the best choice for our body in long run. This new mattress is from Sleepy Cat, India's first mattress in a box. Best budget-friendly mattress with high-quality gel memory foam technology. They deliver luxury mattresses at a fraction of the usual cost, straight from their factory to our doorstep in an easy-to-carry package. They are giving 30 nights of free trial with 10 years of warranty, which is amazing. You can order the mattress and have it delivered for free anywhere across India. Its specialized netted cover helps to maintain the foam inside while providing unique airflow throughout the mattress. Another nice feature is this ultra premium cover. It's made of high GSM knitted fabric for comfort and flexibility, with an anti-skid base that prevents the mattress from moving around. The zipper makes it easily removable for spot cleaning. They have one-day delivery option for Mumbai and Bangalore. You will be able to find the website links in description box below. Wishing you to have a perfect sleep. If you are wondering why we didn't change the bed, then you need to wait for a while as it's on the way and I will share with you soon. To give a new decor look for kids' room, we can change the existing hardware. As these knobs were not good enough for my daughter to handle the cabinet door, I decided to go with different knobs and ordered these beautiful knobs which are absolutely matched for this cabinet. Or if you don't want to invest, then as a budget-friendly option, paint your cabinet knobs or handles. As I'm going to put this wall decal on this cabinet, so decided to paint these handles as well. Here I wanted these handles to match with the wall decal color, so according to the color palette I have painted them. And they gel with everything so beautifully. If you have a daughter and you want to surprise her, and that too within budget, then definitely add a canopy above her bed. This canopy is from IKEA. It was super budget friendly. I will link a similar one in the description box below for your convenience. Kids love decorative lights. I bought the table lamp and this cloud wall lamp for her room makeover. This cloud one acts as night lamp at night, gives a very soothing feel to the entire room. We have installed 3 shelves in her room. This shelf is to hold those books she loves the most. I have painted it in white so that those colorful books will pop nicely. This one is to store all her soft toys which she is currently liking or playing. Rest of them go straight into the basket. This way I can control the toy clutter in her room. Another shelf is here where I have decided to keep her swimming float as a decor piece along with a soft toy. All these decorations are DIYed by me, and let me tell you, each and every DIY is easy peasy lemon squeezy. First one is this pom-pom garland. Take colorful wool and wrap it around your finger, then tie it in the middle and cut those loops. Our pom-poms are ready. Now I will make a garland. Ta-da! It's ready! Next is this popsicle art. I cut a cardboard in circular shape and took these popsicle sticks to make it look like a sun rays. You can find these popsicles in any craft store, and now I'm writing "You are my sunshine." It's like 20 rupees decor piece, and I'm sure your kid will love this bright colorful art. We can decorate any kind of a basket with pom-pom to add a new look. I have this grass basket on hand. You can use any kind of a basket of your choice for the project. We are going to need small pom-pom balls, and I have attached them with double-sided tape instead of hot glue so that in future I can repurpose the basket. For this DIY, I used 2 framed canvas. I'm going to use this leftover mermaid wall decal. Just placed it in a way so that it looks like it connected with the other frame. Added few more bits and pieces. It looks so cute, and no one can tell that it's a wall decal which I have pasted on the canvas. We need to cut our cardboard in round shape, and I have pasted a canvas pad on top of it to achieve a nice look. I painted it in black with acrylic color. Then pasted these wooden figurines on the board. P for Pihu. And added these 2 cute little jute flowers. How beautiful it has turned out. What do you think? I so love it. our makeover is done. Now it's time for the room tour. I hope you will be able to find few ideas for your kids' room. If you are going to try any of these DIYs, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. And if you enjoyed this room tour, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also share this video with friends and family. Subscribe to Home #Life. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.